Hi everybody, I'm JT, this is
Harry,
and we are Camper Van Journey. We've been away for a couple of months, having a nice break. We're all refreshed and ready for a new season of videos all about travelling and living with our camper van. We've got lots and lots planned for this year, including visits to the campervan show in the NEC, testing out some new equipment. But first of all, we've got an amazing trip planned to one of our favourites, the French Alps. So if that sounds like your sort of thing, please hit the button Please come along and join us. Hit the button to like, hit the button to subscribe, and follow us on our campervan journey. Thanks for watching.
thank you.